Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best solar security cameras in 2026? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're breaking down the top solar-powered security cameras you can buy right now for home security, outdoor protection, and 24/7 peace of mind. These cameras run on solar power, work wire-free, and are perfect for driveways, backyards, farms, and remote areas. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. Eufy T2 Ultra 4K Security Cameras. The Eufy T2 Ultra 4K Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor 6-Cam Kit is a comprehensive smart home security system designed for full outdoor surveillance and reliable protection. It features ultra-clear 4K video quality, allowing users to capture sharp and detailed footage of their surroundings both day and night. The system includes true color night vision, which enhances low-light visibility with more natural and colorful imaging compared to traditional infrared cameras. With AI-powered recognition and 360-degree motion tracking, it can intelligently detect and follow movement to reduce blind spots and improve security coverage. Powered by solar charging, the cameras are designed for low maintenance, continuous operation without frequent recharging. It also supports expandable 1 TB local storage, giving users secure and private video recording without relying heavily on cloud subscriptions. Number 2. The Eufy T2 Ultra 4K. The Eufy T2 Ultra 4K Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor 4Cam Kit is a smart and reliable home security system designed to provide complete outdoor surveillance with advanced monitoring features. It delivers ultra-sharp 4K video resolution, ensuring clear and detailed footage for enhanced security coverage day and night. Equipped with true color night vision, it captures more natural and colorful images in low-light conditions compared to standard black and white night vision systems. The built-in AI recognition and 360-degree motion tracking help intelligently detect and follow movement, reducing blind spots and improving overall safety. Powered by solar energy, the cameras offer continuous, low-maintenance operation without frequent charging. With support for expandable 1 TB local storage, it allows secure video recording and playback without depending heavily on cloud services, making it a strong choice for modern home protection. Number 3. ANSQUE Security Cameras. The ANSQUE Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor Home System 4 Camera Kit is a complete smart surveillance solution designed for reliable and subscription-free home security. It features 2K video resolution with color night vision, allowing clear and detailed footage even in low-light conditions for better nighttime monitoring. Each camera supports 360 degrees PTZ, pan-tilt zoom, coverage with auto-tracking, helping to follow movement and reduce blind spots around your property. Powered by solar energy and long-lasting batteries, the system is built for continuous, low-maintenance operation with up to 365-day battery life under optimal conditions. It also includes local storage, so users can securely save recordings without paying monthly fees, making it a cost-effective and privacy-focused security option for outdoor home protection. Number 4. Eufy Solar Security Cameras. The Eufy Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor Pro 4Cam Kit is an advanced home security system designed for comprehensive and convenient outdoor surveillance. It features dual-lens cameras with auto-tracking, providing wider coverage and more accurate monitoring of moving objects around your property. The system supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi connections for stable and flexible network performance. A built-in 10-inch touchscreen monitor allows easy live viewing, playback, and system control without needing a smartphone or computer. It also includes two-way audio, enabling real-time communication through the cameras for added security. Powered by solar energy, the cameras are designed for continuous operation with minimal maintenance, while the included 500 GB HDD offers ample local storage for recordings with no monthly subscription fees, making it a practical and cost-effective security solution. Number 5. The Eufy T1. The Eufy T1 Ultra 4K Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor 4Cam Kit is a smart home security system designed to provide reliable and high-resolution surveillance for outdoor spaces. It features 4K Ultra HD video quality, delivering sharp and detailed footage for improved visibility and monitoring. With true color night vision, it captures clearer and more natural colored images in low light conditions compared to traditional infrared systems. The AI recognition and 360 degrees motion tracking capabilities help intelligently detect movement and follow activity, reducing blind spots and enhancing overall security coverage. Powered by solar energy, the cameras are built for continuous, low-maintenance operation without frequent charging. It also supports expandable 1 TB local storage, allowing users to save recordings securely without relying heavily on cloud subscriptions, making it a practical and privacy-focused security solution. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you find the best solar security camera for your home in 2026. All product links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart home security and tech buying guides. See you in the next video.